is the SEGWAY-NINEBOT Max G2 electric folding scooter. Now with its 180mm foot base, you can comfortably fit both your feet at the same time, letting you enjoy a smooth, effortless ride. Having both your feet on the base also gives you a lot more control over the scooter, making it safer too. And speaking of safe, its anti-skid traction control system is there to make sure that you can get a stable ride on slippery surfaces, so you can zip around without any accidents. Now with its front and rear hydraulic spring suspension, you'll be able to avoid uncomfortable bumps too, especially on difficult terrain, as it absorbs the jitters for you. It also has a front and rear indicator, so you can let those know around you which direction you're going to be heading in. There are 3 riding modes to choose from, so you can tailor the scooter to your preferred riding style. These are Eco, Drive and Sport, and you can easily shift between them using the LED display. On here you can also see your speed and battery life, and don't worry, as you won't be having to put it on charge often, as you get just over 43 miles per charge.